Look at this little tropical baby. Oh, raised for one purpose, to make neutral vodka seltzer extra tasty. Hush, little babies, don't say a word. Vodka, seltzer, real juice. It's neutral, the one with the umlaut. Good taste is right here. Neutral, the one with the umlaut.
That's the name. And remember, you're playing for Bud Light, lady.
The boys are back in town.
These guys are good.
Who are you calling guys?
Yeah.
Looks like you're in the finals. Ma'am, for the great taste that won't fill you up and never let you down, make it a Bud Light.
You're the defending ladies pool champion?
Yes, I am. Hello?
We make Jack Apple. You make it count.